With an extensive global network of sample providers, Conjointly prioritizes quality, guarantees real human respondents, and delivers on speed and cost. The previous video covered the self-serve sample and predefined panel options available on Conjointly. Both sourcing options employ extensive multi-layered automated checks. Respondents are automatically flagged for a wide range of suspicious and inattentive behaviors, like network detection avoidance, unusually fast responses, gibberish answers, violations of your response quality settings, and many more. Beyond automated detection, you have full control through the review participants and quality checker dashboards, available across experiments and license tiers. These tools are particularly valuable for self-serve samples and your own respondent pools, letting you identify and exclude questionable responses with ease. When using self-serve sample, you have additional flexibility to manage and adjust your data collection as needed. For example, if responses are coming in slowly or completion rates seem lower than expected, you can pause your collection. The cost for any uncompleted responses will be returned to your prepaid balance. You can launch with a higher bid or adjusted targeting. Alternatively, you can use both self-serve sample A and B to access multiple panel networks. With predefined panels, you'll experience a more hands-off approach as the data collection is fully managed and responses are hand-checked by Conjointly's fieldwork team. You can track the fieldwork progress in real time in your Experiment's Participant Sources tab. The rigorous quality check process begins before launch with careful respondent selection and feasibility analysis. Respondents complete extensive profiling, covering demographics, shopping habits, and household characteristics when they sign up with one of Conjointly's partners. Once launched, the fieldwork team codes your screener survey, reviews your inputs, and provides improvement suggestions. We conduct multiple rounds of pre-launch testing to ensure display logic, quotas, and survey flow work flawlessly. For the soft launch, 50 to 100 initial respondents are invited, where automated checks are in place and the fieldwork team monitors response rates, survey completion times, response quality, and make necessary adjustments before full deployment. During full data collection, we continuously monitor progress, fill specific quotas, and review preliminary results. When challenging quotas slow collection speed, we'll notify you of potential delays or suggest quota adjustments. Upon reaching your target sample size, we hand-check all responses, remove and replace poor responses before closing fieldwork. This comprehensive approach ensures every response meets Conjointly's established quality standards. Want to dive deeper into how Conjointly ensures quality responses? The guide selection contains comprehensive details on quality processes for predefined panels and self-serve samples, multi-layered automated checks, and how to get the most out of the quality checker and review participants dashboard. Have questions along the way? Simply reach out through our chat function or book a free consultation call with our team.